Have you ever stared at a crypto chart, frozen with uncertainty, wondering, how do I even start? You're not alone. Most people want to trade smart, automate the process, and let AI do the heavy lifting. But they get lost in a maze of confusing platforms, sketchy YouTubers, and overhyped promises. What if there was a simple way to cut through the noise? What if you had a step-by-step guide, designed for real beginners, to build your first AI-powered trading strategy, in less than a weekend? Well, now you do. Welcome to the official launch of the AI Trading Starter Toolkit. The problem? Let me be real with you for a second. Trading with AI bots sounds exciting. But in reality? Most people get overwhelmed right away. There are too many platforms. Too many strategies. Too many terms like grid bots, scalping, and API keys that scare you off before you even click start. You watch videos. You read blog posts. And in the end, you still feel lost. That's why we created something different. The solution: AI Trading Starter Toolkit. We built the AI Trading Starter Toolkit to help people just like you, curious, motivated, but unsure where to start. This premium digital package is your all-in-one guide to learn the fundamentals of AI trading without tech jargon. Choose the right bot platform for your style and budget. Follow clear, step-by-step checklists to set up your first bot. Use powerful visuals and diagrams to understand what's happening behind the scenes. Avoid beginner mistakes that cost time and money. And guess what? You don't need to be a programmer. You don't even need experience. Just bring your curiosity, and we'll show you the rest. What's inside the toolkit? Let's break down exactly what you get when you download the AI Trading Starter Toolkit. 1. 6 professionally designed chapters. From choosing a platform to optimizing your bots over time, all written in simple, friendly language. 2. Visual diagrams and strategy maps. Flowcharts for setup. Comparison charts of tools optimization loop. 3. Platform reviews. 3 commas, Pionex, Kryll, Coinrule. We show you the pros, cons, and pricing. 4. Bot strategy blueprints. Basic versus advanced. When to use DCA, grid, arbitrage, or predictive AI bots. 5. Bonus resources. Tool stack infographic recommended communities to learn from all of this, beautifully organized and easy to follow. You can print it, highlight it, or keep it on your tablet while you build your first bot. Why we created this? At TechMoneyAI, we believe everyone deserves access to smarter investing tools, not just hedge funds or pro traders. We saw how much confusion was out there, and how many people gave up because they didn't know where to begin. That's why we created this toolkit, to give beginners the exact guide we wish we had when we started. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by AI trading, if you've ever wished someone would just explain things clearly, this was made for you. What makes this toolkit different? Let me be super clear. This isn't just another ebook. It's not some overhyped affiliate push. And we're not sending you down a rabbit hole of 30 videos and upsells. This is a single, powerful, premium toolkit with everything you need to go from curious beginner to confident AI trader, for the price of a few coffees. It's clean, organized, beginner-friendly. And yes, you get lifetime access, including all updates. So, if you're ready to stop scrolling and finally start trading smarter, click the link below to grab the AI Trading Starter Toolkit now. It's just $9.99. No subscriptions. No spam. You'll get instant access. This is your moment. Start to invest better with the power of AI. Thanks for watching. And welcome to TechMoneyAI. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI-powered finance tools, trading strategies, and product reviews. Follow us at TechMoneyAI on YouTube and socials. See you in the next one.